Hi everybody, it's me Sissy. Happy New Year. This is the first Dollar Tree haul of the new year for me. So let's get started. I got just a small bag of things. I just picked up a few things. This was a new thing they had in my dollar store. I know it's an ice bucket. But I always buy a little tiny tabletop Christmas tree, and this year my tree was in a bucket, and on the back of the bucket was Easter because I couldn't find any kind of Christmas or just plain thing to use. So I'm thinking ahead, pick this up. It's plastic, so I don't have to worry about it rusting or leaking. So I'm going to put it up for Christmas next year, and maybe I'll be able to find it. But it is really pretty, and it's good and sturdy, so I like that. And then what else? I got some Valentine's ribbon and a Valentine kitchen towel. I'm gonna do a little DIY with that. That was requested right after this video, so I hope to get it filmed today. Cinnamon sticks. I put these cinnamon sticks in a pot with water and some tangerines and oranges over Christmas in my house. Y'all, it smelled so good. It was better than any air freshener I had gotten. I got some of these Betty Crocker Easy Seal bowls. I've mentioned a time or two my mom has the beginnings of Alzheimer's and some dementia, so I've been trying to take her something to eat every day, and I just thought maybe I could heat her up some soup and take it in that, and then I don't have to worry about getting the bowls back or her throwing them away by accident. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got this little floral pick with the red roses on it for Valentine's Day. That's for another DIY I got coming up, y'all. I got so much planned. I hope it goes better than my Christmas plans. Life kind of intervenes sometimes and plans go awry. But anyway, I got this cute little magnet. Y'all know I'm crazy about my dogs. And it says, Namaste, home with my dog. That's so cute. Over Christmas, my beloved little Sammy, in a lot of my videos, you can hear him tapping his little nails on the floor because he liked to circle around my feet. Well, I'm sorry. My little Sammy went over the rainbow bridge. I got some more of this leave-in conditioner, the organic shea butter shea solutions. I just love this for my hair. I just put a little bit in, and it keeps it from being so dry. As I was trying to tell you about my sweet little poodle Sammy, he was 16, and over Christmas he had a leave-in conditioner. These are getting kind of scarce at my Dollar Tree, and I just love this stuff for my hair, so I got that. And then there's another ribbon. It's it's pink, and it's got I love you and X's and O's and true love. That's a really pretty ribbon. And that's for a DIY coming up. And then I know these are not the best thing in the world for you. It's the Rip It Energy Fuel Power and Citrus X. They're both sugar-free. They're very low carb. I think this one has no carbs per serving, and let's see. This one has 0 carbs also. I'm kind of addicted to these things. I kind of have to have one every morning. I'm a big coffee drinker, but I love these things too. So I got 4 of those, which I know they're nothing but chemicals in them, and they're really not the best thing in the world, but I do like them. And then some more ribbon for DIY. I'm going to do a wreath, and then I'm going to do one with the kitchen towel. And then I got this cute little wooden heart. It says, follow your heart. It's really cute. They've got some really nice wooden signs. This was, they were just putting these out when I was in the Dollar Tree. So, and then this is a kitchen towel and the micro scrubbers to go with it. That's all going to be in the DIY that hopefully will come up next after this. Oh, I got 4 of those conditioners. That was the last 4 they had. As I was trying to say a while ago, and I get all upset, my sweet little poodle Sammy had a stroke and passed away. So I'm kind of sad. But it'll be alright. We'll be alright. And I got some mesh. Of course, I'm going to have to do a wreath, and hopefully that'll be coming up. And They'll keep me busy, keep me out of trouble. And I got the heart-shaped form for the wreath. And I got the picture frame. This is for a friend. I've been promising to do a project for them for several months, and I've finally started cleaning up my craft room and found the stuff they had given me for their project, so I am going to try to get that done for them. And I'm going to try to make 2018 the year I get things done, y'all. And I got this, oh, it smells so good. Air Fresh Cranberry Wood Spice. This smells really good. So I got that little candle. And then I love these 3D kind of window decoration stickers they have. And it says, always let your true color shine through. Or shine bright. I'm going to, got a little DIY in mind for that. I'm going to try to get that done. Anyway, y'all, I'm sorry I was MIA over Christmas. Had a lot going on, but I'm going to show you, we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to add these two items, this cute little pink and teal trash can for your car, and this little, is rip-off of Yahtzee, but Yahtzee, I don't know, dice game. I'm going to put that in the box, and hopefully, come not too much longer, we'll be at 1,000 and we can draw for the winner. Y'all have a great day, and hopefully I'll be seeing a lot more of you in the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. Bye-bye.